50th annual cake show at Palace Grounds is showcasing some truly remarkable edible art, brought to you by the Institute of Baking and Cake Art IBCA and My Baker Smart. One standout piece is a 250 kilo sugar crafted tribute to Ratan Tata, featuring a lifelike bust, a symbolic globe, sugar crafted airplanes, and a fondant bookshelf with iconic Tata Group brands. This creation took 10 days to craft and celebrates his legacy of innovation and philanthropy. Another masterpiece honors S.M. Krishna, former Chief Minister of Karnataka, weighing 280 kilos. It includes a life-size sugar bust, a fondant desk with files, and an Indian flag symbolizing his dedication to leadership and public service. For the new year, IBCA has created a stunning 375 kilo cake. It features a sugar crafted clock, champagne bottles, balloons, and fondant streamers, capturing the joy and renewal of stepping into 2025. Don't miss this incredible display of creativity and craftsmanship.
This cake show is like big and it's like very like delicious. Like they did it everything like 3D things and big and things. Very good.
So which is the most, which is the good, like the cake? What?
Like that Christmas tree.
Okay. Okay.
That Christmas tree, like I like it because it's like big and also it has like a top story that I can ride on the train. Like if it was like real, I could just climb it, go on the train. We have some fun and that.
ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಮಗೆ ಧೀಮಂತ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅಜಾತಶತ್ರು ಅಂತ ವಾಜಪೇಯಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರೂ ಆ ಥರ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕಿಡ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗಲಿ, ಬರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಅಂಥ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಲಾರದ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಥ ನಾಯಕರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಲಿ ಆತವರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೇಕ್ ಶೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂದರು ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ.
My auntie over here has brought us here. Actually, I didn't knew about this, but I'm glad I came to know about this. Very beautiful. All the pieces have done wonderfully, and I want to thank the maker. And really, they have put lot of efforts. I can see that.
Which is the one show which you like the most?
One is the Kempe Gowda, obviously, and second is the Christmas tree. And obviously, all the pieces are very beautifully made and very detailed also. I'm very glad to see this, and I would like to take all the memories with me back to Goa.
Do you happen to see these kind of events in Goa? Because Goa is too much of amazing.
This kind of, I don't think there is anything, because it's this since it's a Christmas time, it's everything Christmassy here, and since there is nothing there to see, I'm glad I could see here in Bangalore such event happening.